Hey guys, welcome in. Appreciate you being here. So this is update number 2 on the garden, and I have we made some headway. So I'm going to show you a few things and show you some seed packs and some different stuff. So we're moving along. So we'll just start over here on the southwest corner over here where the herbs are at, and then we'll just kind of work our way around and move around the garden. Okay, so over here we got the herbs in. We got the basil, we have the oregano, and that's thyme. Got the dill in. We didn't have that in the other day. We got the dill in and got the cilantro in. I need to go get some rosemary. I almost bought a rosemary plant the other day. It's crazy expensive though. But I think at this point I need to go ahead and just buy a starter plant and put in. And then we have the Lisa Lou Sangs and the St. Valerie carrots. And I think Todd, those are the onions that he gave me. I think he said those were Texas sweet. So got those in, and check on the potatoes. I don't see anything on the potatoes yet, so I don't know if that's that might be a bad sign. But it's a little dry on top, but the soil's still good and needs a drink, so I'll get that watered in here in a little bit. Got the cucumbers changed out. Got a couple Beta Alpha China Jades. Got 3 of those. Got an extra one sitting in the corner, and we got one pickling over there. So got those changed out, and then we got the 3 of the tomatoes in. We got 2 of the Black Creme and 1 of the Parks Whopper. That is right there. So gonna get these all watered here in a few. Oops. And then we move over here, and this is just an update. The onions are doing great. They're bulbing out nicely. A lot of them here are bulbing out really nice. So some of these are Texas sweets, some of them are the whites, and can't remember what's what. I had to go back and look. These onions are doing well too. I've got purples over here, and I think over here is the purple and the Texas sweet. I just can't remember. The garlic in the back is looking, some of them made it, some of them are not doing so good, and I need to get some weeds out of there. So there's that. Watermelon plants and spoon tomatoes. That will be going in probably Monday. Monday on those probably. So on the back row here, I need to water this here in just a minute. I'll do that after we get done, but I did get the pepper plants in. I got 3 of the Craig's Grandes, 3 of the orange spice, and 3 of the lemon spice in. Yep, looking good. So okay, so we made some headway on the garden. That's a quick review there. I just wanted to show you that. I haven't watered yet because Minnow's down the street at Joanne's at her friend's house. She'll be back in a little bit. I'm actually going to go to Dallas Fort Worth tomorrow with a friend, and going to I think the Dallas Stars, going to the hockey game with him. And then we'll stay there at his son's place and then come back on Monday. So I will need Minnow to water for me, and I just kind of want to show her how I'm doing it so that everything gets the drinks that it needs. Let me show you the seed pack so you kind of got an idea of what stuff is supposed to look like when we get it growing here. So I think it's going to be pretty cool. Okay, so here's my seed packs. I couldn't find my catalog for Dixondale Farms. I know I have it in there somewhere, I just don't know where I put it. But Dixondale Farms, they're in Carrizo Springs, Texas. That's where I get my onions from, and I have got onions from them several times. They deliver when they say they will. They give you a delivery window, and they've always delivered those to me when I said I was going to get them. They've been in great shape, and I would highly recommend Dixondale Farms. So in the cucumbers that we have over there, we've got the Beta Alphas. They're just like a normal burpless self-pollinating cucumber. And then we've got the China Jades, which these are longer, elongated, nice cucumbers. I've grown these once before. pretty cool. They're good. They don't have big old seeds or anything. That's great. And then we got some Persian pickling. So hopefully I've only got one of those, so I may start another one of those, and I will succession plant those in the summertime. When they start getting used up a little bit, I'll probably start some more on those, and I know I will for the fall anyway. So then the peppers we have over here. So I have Craig's Grande jalapeno. I've grown those before. They're from Baker Creek. All of these here are from Baker Creek. I have grown these before. New to me are the orange spice jalapeno and the lemon spice jalapeno. So these are new ones. It'll add some color to the garden, hopefully some flavor and some color to my my cowboy candy when I make that. So cool, looking forward to that. Next to them, behind them actually, are the beans. And in the beans, I got the old Homestead. They're just an old Homestead pole bean. I have grown these before. They did really well. I've grown the Baker Creeks and Ferrymores, I think. And then I got some purple potted beans planted as well. We'll add some nice color. And then I haven't done the purple beans before, and I'm doing some Chinese red noodle beans. These are long beans, and I haven't grown them before, but I think it'll be a cool thing to grow and try and see when they start producing. I think that'll be cool. It'll be fun. Over on the carrots, the front row is the St. Valerie carrots, and they're just a little bit shorter. Orange carrot, just a regular carrot. They're just a little bit shorter as they mature out. And then in the back, I've got the Lila Lu Sang, which is a purple on the outside and kind of orange on the inside. Very cool looking carrot. And I can't remember if I grew those before or not, but we'll look at those carrots when they get out. And then the tomatoes that I have two Black Crumbs, and Belt Loop 29 suggested that I grow these. He said they're killer tomatoes. So I've got two of those planted, and then the one on the end is from the tomatoes that I grew this fall, which are the Parks Whopper. Was a really nice tomato, and it appears to be about the same size as this. They were really nice, medium-sized tomatoes, very tasty, very sweet, very good. So, all right, so that's what we got going so far. Garden's coming along. Hopefully the cucumbers do okay this time. I don't know what happened to them the first ones I put in. So I'm gonna go in and repot a few of the plants that are in the greenhouse, which I didn't show you. I guess I could. Let me do that. So here's our reserves in here. We still got going on in here. So got several tomatoes. I need to get these guys watered too. And I'm going to transplant, I think I talked about this, I'm going to transplant a few of these, but not too many. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put these on garage sale come Monday, so or Tuesday maybe. So got my peppers, got some peppers in reserve. I'm going to continue to grow those. I actually was going to put those two in back over there, and nope, not those two. Where's the other two? I got two bigger ones. Oh, they're out here. So I totally meant to plant these peppers because they're getting bigger, and they're Craig's. That one is, and this one is they're both Craig's. I meant to plant those, but I didn't. The other ones were pretty close to this size here, maybe, but this is a little bigger. But I'll just pot these up, and I need to get these watermelons in the ground. So I'll be doing that Monday after I get back, and yeah, I need to get these other tomatoes handed off to my friends that are going to take those and get those out of here. So that's where we're at. So there's the update. That's update number 2. Everything's going along real well so far. Hopefully the tomatoes and I think the tomatoes will be fine. Hopefully the cucumbers don't yellow on me again. So we'll keep an eye on those. Appreciate you guys checking in. I really appreciate you guys watching my stuff. I really do. Hit the like button, comment. You can subscribe right up here, and that is a clear blue sky. And we'll see you on the next one. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. See ya.